of the iceberg, melt in the sun. A glimpse of the climate change, getting warm. Little old me, that's the eye of the storm. Wish I could turn my mind off for a month. Take my head away from me, Antoinette, sweet Marie. Chop it off, squeaky clean. I got thoughts nobody needs. Down below, buried deep. Let me go, set me free. Body strong, but mentally lost my mind. Guillotines. There's a patient waiting in the hall. We don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's his dome. Every X-ray seems to show an evacuation zone, and I think we need to operate now. And if all goes well, he'll return to the world and can stand without crutches or help. Yeah, if all goes well, he'll return to the world and can praise for the records he sells.
I can't help but feel. I can't help but feel. I can't help but feel. Oh yeah, I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel. Oh yeah, I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel. Oh yeah, I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel. Isn't real. I only know the space inside this room. License to appeal, a dark end of your deal. I'm stoking up the fire that I once knew. So if you see me, you know that I've been on my road. I've been on my road with you. And if you need me, I'll show you how to break the mold. It starts with letting go with you. Yeah, I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel. Oh yeah, I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel. Oh yeah, I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel. Oh yeah, I can't help but feel my groove. I can't help but feel.
Oh man, controlled chaos. Life lately has just been, running a million miles in every different direction. And I don't know, I don't know what's more extreme, like getting pounded at Jaws or trying to keep up with two little kids.